Hey YouTube. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the password for Catalyst 9K switches. This particular example is a Catalyst 9300. I don't remember the password, and the first step to reset the password is to power cycle the device. Once you do that, in the middle of the boot process, there's a reset button on the left hand side of the switch. You have to press it when the switch goes through the boot stage, and that's right here. You have to press that button, hold it for 3 seconds or more. You will be given this prompt, and then type the command set, and then you will be able to see various variables in here. The one that we are interested to set is set switch ignore startup config or startup CFG, and we will set it to 1. And then it's going to take it. Let's take a look to see whether it's set correctly. Yeah, it's right there. Switch ignore startup config. Then we're going to boot the device again. Not sure why this one is interrupted. Let's try one more time. And yeah, the switch is now going through the boot. I'm gonna fast forward, and then once the switch is finished booting up, we will pick it from there. Now the switch is online. It's pretty much back up. The first thing I'm gonna do is to erase the startup config. And don't get me wrong, you can still have the config, but in this case, because I have nothing on this switch, I just choose to delete everything. And then we will have to reset the flag that we initially set. No system ignore startup config, switch all. Yeah, once I issue that command, we are going to read the configuration again from the flash. So in here, I'm going to save it. The changes basically I made on this device, which the most important one is to reset that flag. And once the switch is back online, then we can start the configuration from scratch. Don't get me wrong, you still can have the config if you want to. Refer to this video, which I explained the trick that you can still reset the password and retain the configuration of your device. This is still applicable to the 9K series. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing.